Today, I'm going to show you how to replace your key fob battery in a 2020 Toyota Corolla with a smart key. I like to keep spare batteries in the glove box because you never know when they're going to go out. I think they typically last 1 to 2 years depending on use. Now, to access the battery inside, first you're going to have to remove the physical key. Yes, there's actually a physical key inside, and you can use that if the battery stops working or there's some other problem with the key fob. You can still get access to that key, open the door at a minimum. So what you're going to do first is you're going to locate the ring at the top, and you'll see there's a little lever that slides. You're going to slide that lever and hold it away from the key ring and lift up on the key ring to reveal the physical key. Now if you look inside, you'll see a little slot, and what you can do is you can take your physical key, put it inside that slot, twist it, and you'll notice that the key fob splits in half. So here's your transponder, and underneath that is your battery. The battery is a Panasonic CR2032 3-volt battery. And there's two notches at the bottom to hold it in place. And then you'll see there's a hole right here where you can use a tool to pry out the battery. Alright, so there's your battery. So to reinstall, you're going to take your replacement battery, you're going to put it underneath these two tabs, and you're going to press down, and it'll lock in. Make sure it's flush, and that's it. So now we're ready to reinstall. If you look at these channels right here, this shape, it only goes in one way. So you just have to match that up. Grab your other side and press it together. Just make sure it's aligned and it will snap back in place. Alright, once you got the two halves together, you can reinsert your physical key. Make sure it works. That looks good. Everything is fine. I hope you enjoyed this how-to. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.